Right, YouTube, it's your boy, it's Ken. Liberty of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, Grand Suite, 1256. Here's the room tour. All right, we come in here I am. We have a bar area here. We have a ton of storage in these three closets. Let me take you into the bathroom. We have the commode, double sinks, a lot of areas where you can store things here, and we have a full tub, okay? Coming on out here into our living room area, this couch opens up, so it will sleep four. We have two chairs. We have the Royal King bed over here, and of course, we have a vanity for the ladies to look pretty. We have our TV here, this swivels. Let's take you out so you can see the balcony. We have two chairs here and two loungers. We are alongside here in Cape Liberty on board Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas Grand Suite 1256. Please like and subscribe. It's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite pinnacle. We will see you at sea.